Welcome back children. This is your Murali Manohara sir. ವಿಶ್ವ ಮಾನವ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ Mathematics class for 5th standard. In the previous class we learned about addition. In this class we will learn about subtraction. Subtraction is the difference between any two numbers. The symbol of subtraction is minus. The terms which imply subtraction are how many left, how many more, how many less than, the difference of. The number which you subtract is called minend. The number to be subtracted is called subtrand. The answer is called difference. Children, now we will subtract 1345 from 3564. It is already arranged in place value table. We will start subtraction from units place. What are the numbers in units place? In units place, minend is 4, subtrand is 5. Since 4 is smaller than 5, 5 cannot be subtracted from 4. So borrow 110 from tens place. So units place can be written as 10 units plus 4 units is equals to 14 units. After borrowing 110 to units place, tens place left with 5 tens. Now subtract units place, that is 14 minus 5 is equals to 9. Write 9 in units place. Now subtract the numbers in the tens place. 5 minus 4 equals to 1. Write 1 in tens place. Now subtract the digits in the hundreds place. Which numbers are there in the hundreds place? The digits in the hundreds place are 5 and 3. So 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Write 2 in hundreds place. Next subtract digits in the thousands place. Which number are there in the thousands place? The digits in the thousands place are 3 and 1. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Write 2 in thousands place. Therefore, the difference between 3564 and 1345 is 2219. Now we will solve some problems related to subtraction. First we read the question. 59,842 minus 34,532. Write the numbers in the vertical column according to the place value of each digit. First subtract digits in the units place. Which number are there in the units place? The digits in the units place are 2 and 2. 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Write 0 in units place. Next subtract the digits in the tens place. Which number are there in the tens place? The digits in the tens place are 4 and 3. 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Write 1 in tens place. Now subtract digits in the hundreds place. Which number are there in the hundreds place? The digits in the hundreds place are 8 and 5. 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. Write 3 in hundreds place. Now you subtract digits in thousands place. The digits in thousands place are 9 and 4. 9 minus 4 is equals to 5. Write 5 in thousands place. Subtract the digits in the 10,000s place. The digits in the 10,000s place are 5 and 3. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So write 2 in 10,000s place. The difference between 59,842 and 34,532 is 25,310. Now we will learn subtraction of 5-digit numbers with regrouping or borrowing. The first question is 50,625 minus 36,178. First we write the digits in the vertical column according to place value of each digits. First we should start from units place. Which numbers are there in the units place? In units place, minus is 5 and subtrahend is 8. 5 is smaller than 8. 8 cannot be subtracted from 5. So borrow 110 from tens place. So units place be written as 110 plus 5. 10 units plus 5 units is equals to 15 units. After borrowing 110 to units place, tens place left with 1. Now subtract units place digits. That is 15 minus 8 equals to 7. Write 7 in units place. Now we will subtract the tens place numbers. In tens place is 1 less than 7. So 7 is cannot be subtracted from 1. Hence borrow 100 from hundreds place. That is 10 tens. The tens place can be written as 10 tens plus 1 is equals to 11 tens. After borrowing 100 to tens place, hundreds place left with 5 hundreds. Now subtract 10 place digits. 11 minus 7 equals to 4. Write 4 in tens place. Now we should subtract the hundreds place digits. The digits in the hundreds place are 5 and 1. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Write 4 in hundreds place. Now subtract thousands place digits. That is 0 and 6. 0 is less than 6. So 6 cannot be subtracted from 0. Hence borrow 1 10,000 from 10 10,000 place. 1 10,000 equals to 1 10,000. The thousands place can be written as 10,000 plus 0,000 is equals to 10,000. After borrowing 1 10,000 to thousands place, 10,000 place is left with 4 10,000. Now subtract thousands place digits. 10 minus 6 equals to 4. Write 4 in thousands place. Now subtract 10,000 place digits. The digits are 4 and 3. 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Write 1 in 10,000 place. Therefore, the difference between 15,625 and 36,178 is 14,447. Now we should subtract 20,746 from 42,695. First write the number in the vertical column according to place value of the each digits. First we subtract units place digits. In units place minus hand is 5. Subtrahend is 6. 5 is smaller than 6. 6 cannot be subtracted from 5. So borrow 110 from tens place. So units place can be written as 110 plus 5 units. 10 units plus 5 units is equals to 15 units. After borrowing 110 to units place, tens place is left with 8 tenths. Now subtract units place digits. That is 15 minus 6 equals to 9. Write 9 in units place. Now subtract tens place digits. That is 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. Write 4 in tens place. In hundreds place 6 is less than 7. So 7 cannot be subtracted from 6. Hence borrow 1,000 from thousands place. 1,000 equals to 10 hundreds. The hundreds place can be written as 10 hundreds plus 6 hundreds equals to 16 hundreds. After borrowing 1,000, thousands place left with 1,000. Now subtract hundreds place digits. That is 16 minus 7 is equals to 9. Write 9 in hundreds place. Now we will subtract thousands place digits. Which number are there in the thousands place? 1 and 0. 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. Write in 1 in thousands place. Now subtract 10,000 place digits. that is 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Write 2 in 10,000's place. Therefore, the difference between 42,695 and 20,746 is 21,949. Now we will subtract 36,279 from 52,367. First write the numbers in the vertical column according to place of each digit. Now we should subtract units place digits. Which digits are there in units place? 7 and 9. In units place, minus is 7 and subtrahend is 9. 7 is smaller than 9. 9 cannot be subtracted from 7. So borrow 110 from the tens place. So units place can be written as 10 units plus 7 units equals to 17 units. After borrowing 110 to units place, tens place is left with 5 tens. Now subtract units place digits. That is 17 minus 9 equals to 8. Write 8 in units place. Now we should subtract tens place digits. In tens place, 5 is less than 7. So 7 is cannot be subtracted from 5. Hence borrow 100 from hundreds place. 100 equals to 10 tens. The tens place can be written as 10 tens plus 5 tens equals to 15 tens. After borrowing 100, hundreds place is left with 2 hundreds. Now subtract tens place digits, that is 15 minus 7 equals to 8. Write 8 in tens place. Now subtract tens hundreds place digits. Which numbers are there in the hundreds place? 2 and 2. 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Write 0 in hundreds place. After hundreds place, we should subtract thousands place. In thousands place, 2 is less than 6. So 6 cannot be subtracted from 2. Hence borrow 110,000 from 10,000's place. 110,000 equals to 10,000s. The 10,000's place can be written as 10,000 plus 2,000 equals to 12,000. After borrowing 110,000, 10,000's place is left with 4 10,000s. Now subtract thousands place digits. Which number are there in the thousands place? 12 and 6. 12 minus 6 equals to 6. Write 6 in thousands place. Now subtract 10,000's digits. Which number are there in the 10,000's place? 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Write 1 in 10,000's place. Therefore, the difference between 52,367 and 36,279 is 16,088. Do this homework, children.